y'all. Thank you so much for taking time to come over here and visit with me over on Fritz's Cooking again. I'm Fritz, and guys, it's Sunday, so I reckon it's time for another Sunday cook, y'all. And guys, what I want to prepare for you all tonight is going to be called a Muffuletta. And I have never had one of these before. I've never cooked one before, and I'm hoping I do my friends proud that from New Orleans there. And I've got so many great friends that I've made on YouTube and Facebook that are from Louisiana, and they said, Fritz, you have got to try this Muffuletta. And they showed me pictures of it and everything, and I thought, oh my God, doesn't that look wonderful? So basically, guys, I think the original is out of New Orleans around the 1900s or something, called, they made them at Central Grocery. And they use like a sesame, I guess like an Italian loaf, or, you know, a big 10-inch round loaf of bread there. And guys, I couldn't find that here in Fern Creek. So what I had to utilize was, I got, I guess it's called sourdough bouillie. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm sure I'm not. But anyway, guys, it looked kind of similar to it. I mean, not exactly like it, but kind of similar. But anyway, guys, what I did was I took that bread and I kind of sliced it horizontally. And then I took my olive salad here, which is, I don't think, well, with the original, I think it's just like salami and ham and provolone cheese, and of course, what makes the sandwich is the olive salad. And guys, without this olive salad here, now this ain't the brand they use, but this is what I found. And when I was in the Costco and I ran across this, and that just made me think, man, you know, after I was talking to my friends, I was like, man, this must be a sign or something. So I bought 2 bottles of it so I could make the sandwich. But this company here, this Muffuletta salad by Enrico Formelia olive salad, they've been in business since, I believe, 1909. So to me, if somebody's been in business that long, they must be doing something right. And here's a little bit of history on them. Hope you can read that without the glare of the light there. But I'm here to tell you guys, when I was making this sandwich up, after I got done spooning it in there, man, I took a big old spoonful of this, and it is out of this world delicious. And I can see this, not just for Muffulettas, I can see this on a lot of sandwiches. And I can't wait. What I'm going to utilize it for is, as soon as the fresh produce starts coming in, I'm going to make me like a ribeye steak salad, and I'm going to top it with that. It's going to be so good, and I'm going to share it with you. But anyway, guys, I'm rolling on here. I didn't figure that you wanted to see me cut the bread in two, and basically what I did was I kind of hollowed it out a little bit, and then I layered on some of the Muffuletta olive salad in the bottom where I'd hollowed it out. And then I just started building it from there with my cold cuts. And I'm actually utilizing, like I said, I think they only use like ham and salami and provolone. I'm making it my own, so I use my olive salad. I use like some turkey is what I added to it, and then some provolone and some salami, some hard salami, and some ham. And I actually use like that that Italian blend. 5 different cheeses. It was all Sargento cheese. And then I kind of at the very top, you know, where I'd hollowed out the top, I filled it full of the olive salad as well. So what I've done is I've wrapped this puppy up and I've let it set. I woke up, guys, I haven't been sleeping all that well, and I'm getting ready to get one of those CPAP machines. I've been going through the sleep study and everything, and man, it was like the best sleep I ever had when they put that machine on me. But anyway, what I'm going to do is, like I said, I woke up like at 3:30 in the morning, and this thing has been marinating all day long. It's been marinating for a good 12 hours. And that's why you need that really nice bread, something with like a thick skin on it, so all that stuff, while you're marinating it, it doesn't come kind of bleeding out of it, if you will. But anyway, guys, what I've done here is I've got my oven preheated to 375, and I'm going to go ahead and get this puppy on in there, and I think I'm going to run it about 15 or 20 minutes, guys. So let me get her on up in there. And I don't know if this is going to make any count or not, but I kind of figured I was going to kind of weight this thing down. So what I got here is a little cast iron skillet, and I'm just going to put that dude right on top, just like so. Get that dude on there real good and let her do her thing up in the oven. And I've got that drip pan in there just by the name of it, drip pan. I don't want any of that going down in my stove and making me have to do a super clean there. But all right, guys, let's go ahead and get our timer on here. and I'm going to check it in 15 minutes. Guys, thank you so very much for stopping by and visiting with me. It surely does mean the world to me. I'll holler at y'all in a bit. Alright guys, we're down to 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16. Guys went in and let it roll for about 20 minutes. There actually ain't no way to check it unless you undo it and look at it, and I wasn't about to do that. So I hope I didn't burn it, and I'm hoping it's going to be mighty tasty for y'all. But here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition. We have ignition. Alright guys. Let me get our cast iron off there. I'm sure that's hotter than Hades. Alright guys. Now I'm going to let this puppy cool for a bit. You know, it's got all that cheese and everything in it. So I'll let it cool. And then we're going to get right back with y'all. Alright guys, thanks so much. Alright guys, our muffuletta has cooled down enough to touch now. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it up. And I think people like to, you know, cut it into like triangles or like pie slices, if you will. And I've got my old-timey serrated knife here. I think Mom's had this since I was a child. But I'm going to give this a shot, guys. I don't know how great I'm going to be at cutting it, but we'll see. Oh my God, guys, look at that. Is that not a beautiful sandwich or what? That's a work of art. I'm afraid to even cut it anymore. All right, guys, let me get it cut up. I want to get me a good old bite on this thing. All right, guys. All right, guys, we got our Sunday night New Orleans feast, Kentucky-style muffuletta over to the table. And I'm here to tell you that's probably one of the most prettiest sandwiches I've ever laid eyes on. Look at that, guys. Ain't that something? Man, oh man, oh man. All right, guys, I got some munchos, got some barbecue chips, and we're ready to get after this. I've been waiting on this all day. All right, guys, we're all plated up. How does that look? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. All right, guys, I got Mom plated up over here. I want to let her try her first muffuletta and see what she thinks before I dig in. Yeah, it's that's a two-fisted sandwich there, ain't it? Drum roll. Is it good?
Yeah, it's great.
Did that olive salad kind of permeate it real good? And
yeah, I think it did.
Gives it plenty of flavor. I know it smelled outstanding in the oven. Guys, I don't know how I do have a big mouth though. All right, let's see how I can get after this dude.
It's really good.
Oh my God. That blows Jimmy John's out of the water, not.
Oh, no comparison.
It's just so much flavor.
Yeah, that's what really makes you sit up and take notice.
And that olive salad, man, that's going to be good on all kinds of stuff. Good gravy, guys. I'm gonna get one more bite, and I'm gonna have to turn the camera off. I'm gonna get knee deep and sloppy with this. Well, guys, I wanted to say thank you so very, very much for stopping by and visiting with me over on Fritz's Cooking Again. And I appreciate it so much, and I appreciate y'all sticking with me. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, and I've just had so much stuff going on with my health, and you know, I've been kind of concentrating on my heating and air channel, Fritz Rochester. And but I'm going to try to get a video out for you, hopefully every couple of weeks, if y'all will stay with me. And like I said, I wanted to say thank you so very, very much. And I reckon we're going to holler at y'all soon. Take care. Bye. Where you at, boy? Sarge. Sarge. Are you out there playing?